Hello, good morning, good evening, namaste, and aloha to everyone, to all our viewers in India and each one overseas. I am Saloni, co-founder and CTO of Lotus Petal Foundation and your hostess for the show. I'm joined with my co-host and my dear colleague Jaswant, who will be helping us with all the location swaps and provide tech support. And we're coming live from the online school campus in Gurgaon, India. We wanted to take this opportunity to celebrate the 74th Independence Day of India with you and to watch with you how together, with your support, we have served the nation to provide better life to many. Lotus Petal is an organization that is comprised of individuals who have come together to contribute their skills and time to enable those living in acute poverty to live a life of dignity. All of us come in different roles: donors, volunteers, corporate staff, and change makers. We're all working in a rhythm to accomplish the goal of Lotus Petal: better life, quality education, and wholesome nutrition to as many. Contributing to the society in any possible way is our way of giving thanks to what we have in our full lives. Yes, this is you, my dear guest today. You are an integral part of our team, and our work and what you will witness today is not possible without your giving. To give you a quick overview, of our work, Lotus Petal is known for finding innovative ways to solve problems in the community at the grassroots level. The Pratishthan Learning Center enables an out-of-school teenager to get back into mainstream education and eventually graduate with a vocational skill and a job in hand. Vidyananda School, an English medium school that works towards well-rounded holistic education that encompasses multidimensional learning for a child of all age group. Arogya Wellness ensures nutrition, well-balanced meals, fitness, and counseling for the emotional well-being of a child. Through Sahyog, we provide infrastructural and academic intervention to government schools. During the COVID crisis and in the beginning of the lockdown, the school kitchen transformed into a community kitchen, churning out 2,000 meals every day to serve the displaced migrant laborers. The teachers of both the schools instantly devised a structure for the online school, and donors like your kind self supported us with over 400 devices, old and new. And here we are, an inspirational online school that has clocked in 4,000 hours of teaching, a combination of in-house produced YouTube videos and live lectures. The online school is running seamlessly in the slums of India. So brace yourself for this magical morning lit up with inspiration and possibilities. Each year we celebrate the Independence Day with our children with great fervor, and why should that be any different this year? We would like to invite you for our traditional flag hoisting. It's a day where we honor our support staff. Our kitchen and housekeeping is entirely powered by women. These are ladies who are also the mothers of our children and work tirelessly for the upkeep of our school and the office campus. We endearingly call them the Emerald Squad. This year, the team from the kitchen is selected to unfurl the tricolor for us. They have worked non-stop during the extreme days of the lockdown. And this team single-handedly has cooked and packed 159,000, that is 1.5 lakh meals until last evening. Please give a round of applause to Roshni, Bindu, Rajesh, and Geeta, and their lady squad for feeding many and for giving us all an opportunity to serve the nation during the hardest times. Please rise for the national anthem. Thank you for this to the Emerald Squad. More power to each of these strong women who are the spine of Lotus Petal and their homes. Now I would like to welcome you this tiny firecracker Abhishek from Vidyananda School, a people's person and a skilled orator who loves the stage. Please join our little pudding Abhishek for the pledge.
Thank you, ma'am. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elder respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Abhishek. Now I would like to welcome the very elegant and melodious Pranita from Pratishthan Learning Center, who would love to gorge on chocolates and ice creams, but does not because she wants to be a singer.
Thank you so much, ma'am. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranita. That was very soulful indeed. Next in line is the very famous dancing duo from Vidyananda School, Gunjan and Akshat. Well, have you ever heard of siblings that have similar likes and dislikes? Well, now you do. Both Gunjan and Akshat love palak paneer and kadi chawal and love to play similar sport. I guess they are every mother's dream come true.
अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है उन पे हम नाज है, जानेगा हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना, कारवाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दिया वाले, छूटे थे दिल के तार से दिया वाले, शिकले हाल से दिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी, सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी, हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो,
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा, आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा,
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you both. Aren't we glad that the siblings got along through their performances? Really bright kids, both of them, extrovert and consistently clocking in full attendance through the years. Very, very proud of them. Next in line is our very dear friend of Lotus Petal and a board member of Lotus Petal USA, Sanjay Srivastava from New Jersey, USA. Sanjay may be neck deep in corporate America, but his heart is with the work of Lotus Petal. In spite of his busy schedule and commitments, Sanjay has always found ways to support the cause.
Hi folks, my name is Sanjay Srivastava। आज हम आप सबके साथ एक कविता शेयर करना चाहते हैं। इस कविता के बारे में पहले तो ये कि ओरिजिनल प्लान तो ये था कि आपको आपके स्कूल में आकर ये कविता सुनाए। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो प्लान थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन हो गया है कोविड की वजह से। और दूसरी बात ये कविता शेयर करने का सबसे पहला चांस हमको मिला था आप ही की आर्ट एग्जीबिशन जो हुई थी न्यू जर्सी में उस टाइम। तो आपके टीचर्स को ये आइडिया आया कि क्यों ना आपको ये कविता हम रिकॉर्ड करके भेजें। बहुत अच्छा आइडिया, हमको तो बहुत पसंद आया। हमने सोचा क्यों ना आज आपको ये कविता भेजें। कविता का शीर्षक है तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे और इसके लेखक हैं बीडी तेलंग। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर, भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल अरमान यही, कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं, उतने सहने की ताकत है। इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं, उतने सहने की ताकत है। तानों के शोर में रहकर भी सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ। तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? थैंक यू। आशा करते हैं आपको ये कविता पसंद आई होगी। और until we meet, खूब मेहनत करते रहिए, टीचर्स का कहना मानते रहिए और अपना ख्याल रखिए। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Sanjay. That was a great message, and we will keep our fingers crossed for your visit soon. Be safe over there. We need a drum roll now. Well, that's the kind of euphoria this superstar's entry usually involves. The first student of Lotus Petal who needs no introduction, a trailblazer for our children, a resilient, undying, relentless spirit, and definitely my personal inspiration. Please welcome our alumni, Saloni Raj.
A very good morning to most and very good evening to many. I am Saloni Raj, a proud alumnus of Lotus Petal Foundation, where dreams come true. Lotus Petal Foundation supported my dream of becoming a doctor in every way. All the people inside the organization and the well-wishers like you all left no stone unturned to make it happen. Both my brothers are also alumni of Lotus Petal Foundation and are currently working in full-time jobs in private sector. This is a great support to my family and our life has changed completely. We have now shifted to a better house with more basic facilities. My mother has taken a lot of pain to raise us as a single parent. Three of us always wanted to support her. Now she doesn't have to work so hard and gets good time to rest. Currently, I'm studying BDS at JCD Dental College, Sirsa. Going to college is altogether a new experience for me. The place where I grew and the place where I am today are poles apart. This is much, much more than I could ever imagine for myself. I stay in hostel and I have my own room, my bed and a closet. Thank you to everyone who has helped me to get here. A special thank you to Philips India Limited for supporting my dream. I'm really grateful to you all for being the agents of change in my life. There are many more dreams who are getting nurtured at Lotus Petal Foundation, waiting for support from people like you to give them wings to fly and change their lives forever. Please continue your faith in my school. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, Saloni. Saloni came to us at the age of 14 with the learning levels of a grade 4 child. With her tireless, enduring spirit, she overcame all challenges to clear the medical school entrances last year. Now, Saloni is studying in JCD Dental College in Sirsa, Haryana, India. Raised by a single mother in the slums of Badshahpur, Saloni's story is a riveting inspiration. Now I would like to introduce you to another champion, Sangeeta, a mother of 3, all study in our schools. Sangeeta is the facility and housekeeping coordinator at Lotus Petal Foundation and leads a team of 12 women. Smart, independent, a great shopper, reliable, and absolutely trustworthy. Sangeeta is a
Thank you, ma'am. Namaskar. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I have been working at Lotus Petal Foundation for 4 years. My 3 children are studying at Lotus Petal Foundation. पहले तो मैं अंग्रेजी का एक भी शब्द नहीं बोल पाती थी और इस तरह लोगों के सामने खड़े हो तो हिंदी भी नहीं बोल पाती थी। यहाँ काम करते करते मेरे अंदर इतना आत्मविश्वास, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है कि आज मैं आपके सामने खड़े हो बोल पा रही हूँ। आज के हालात ऐसे हैं कि बड़े बड़े स्कूलों में बच्चों की पढ़ाई और अन्य गतिविधियां रुक गई हैं, पर लोटस पेटल फाउंडेशन के सहयोगी डोनर्स ने इस मुश्किल घड़ी में हमारा साथ दिया और न बच्चों की पढ़ाई न अन्य गतिविधियां रुकने दी। आज मैं समस्त लोटस पेटल फाउंडेशन की तरफ से उन सहयोगी डोनर्स के सम्मान में कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहती हूँ, जरा गौर से सुनिए। लोटस पेटल का जिन्होंने हाथ थामा है, हमने तो यह उन्हीं का कमाल माना है। यह सहयोगी डोनर्स आज अगर हमारा साथ न देते तो इस मुकाम तक हम ना पहुंच पाते। धन्यवाद करते हैं हम बारंबार उन नेक बंदों का जो दे रहे हैं नित सहयोग लोटस पेटल का। धन्यवाद करते हैं हम बारंबार उन नेक बंदों का जो दे रहे हैं नित सहयोग लोटस पेटल का। आप सभी का आभार।
Thank you, Sangeeta. Sangeeta was very determined to speak a few lines in English so everyone can understand her well. We were nervous, but strangely she was not, and so glad we did not come in her way. Now I would like to invite our founder, Kushal, an IIM graduate who started Lotus Petal in 2011 with his personal savings, or if I may spill the beans, he took a personal loan. Kushal gave up his full-time corporate career in 2016 to dedicate his life full-time to his calling to serve. Our leader, who reminds us often that no obstacle is bigger than the purpose and gives us deadlines that are really, really tight. Kushal Raj, for you.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. My warm wishes to everyone present here on the occasion of our nation's 74th Independence Day anniversary. We are in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and staying positive is the need of the hour. I'm sure it must have been heartening to see the spirited performances of our students, changemakers, our alumni, and one of our board members from the US. One can clearly see that given the right opportunity, every person can, with their hard work, determination, and resilience, transform their lives. At Lotus Petal, education has been our main tool for transformation, and it has been supported adequately with food, nutrition, and health. Our focus on ensuring the right nutrition to our fortified breakfast, lunch, and supplementary meal inputs from our own kitchen has been one of the cornerstones for the success of the children in the education programs. We have over 5 years of data from serving 500,000 meals, more than 5 lakh meals, to correlate the impact of quality nutrition on the cognition of the child and its impact on the learning outcomes. As we now reach out to many more government schools, non-profit schools, there is also a need to extend the reach of our food and nutrition program along with the education. 36% of children born in India do not make it beyond 5 years due to poor nutrition. Malnutrition is one of the main factors causing poor cognition in young children, leading to poor learning outcomes and eventually dropping out of the education process. The recently announced National Education Policy also talks about breakfast in addition to the lunch, the midday meals which are currently being provided to these children. In the aftermath of the COVID lockdown, we have seen the positive impact of serving food to marginalized and poor communities in times of crisis, which helps them to get back on their feet. We now plan to bring all of these together and make a change, and have decided to launch our program, the Zero Hunger Food Bank, today. An initiative of Lotus Petal, this platform will bring together key stakeholders in terms of corporate partners, food supply chain organizations, government agencies, schools, Anganwadis, local administrations, non-profit schools, grassroots level non-profits, and create solutions to address the issues of malnutrition in children so that they can have a better education. Our main focus will be in the districts of Gurgaon and Mewat. Mewat, an adjoining district of Gurgaon from where we operate, is one of the most backward regions of the country and has been identified as an aspirational district. Here we are providing food to poor communities and non-profit schools supported by our corporate partners, Philips, Concentrix, Cargill, BlackRock, and over 100 individual donors, many of you who are watching this program today. We are making an outreach under the Smart Gram project, in which 100 aspirational villages in these districts will be targeted with our strategic partner, Pranab Mukherjee Foundation, in which we are undertaking a direct procurement from the farmers and also providing food relief to identified below poverty line families. RTI International is our knowledge partner in this project. We look forward to your support and partnership with many more corporates, non-profits, and individuals for the Zero Hunger Food Bank. Let us all pledge together on the occasion of our 74th Independence Day to provide adequate nutrition to every child so that she can get the best out of her education and is able to lead a life based on dignity. Support from you will be very important for us to be able to ensure that every child gets the right nutrition for their education process to reach the desired outcome. Thank you for participating today. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kushal. Thank you for setting great benchmarks and giving us more opportunities to serve every day. As we wrap this show, just wanted to leave you all with a thought. Lotus Petal is an opportunity for us to delve deeper into ourselves and to find ways to make the planet and our society better, more equitable, a place where equal opportunities are given and a fair chance to dream and feel worthy of a hopeful life ahead is a matter of right. This is a place where dreams get courage, because some of us believe that everyone should have the right to dream. This is a place where the human capacity is stretched beyond the limitation of mind or circumstances. This magic is not possible without you, my dearest guests today, and we have 100 guests watching this show as live. And viewers, you may not be teaching inside a classroom or cooking meals in our kitchen or working in our administration, but you, in your own ability, are always finding ways to help us realize these dreams. Today is your day as we salute our nation. We want to recognize your selfless contribution towards India and towards humanity at large. Please continue your faith in our work, in the aspirations of our children, and most importantly, in your ability to change the world one child at a time. Jai Hind. Please stand by for a little montage our team has put together of all the team members and our work. And have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, and we cannot thank you enough for this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.